Hey everyone! Today we will see an overview of discussion forum structured data. We're going to break down what it is, what it does for you, and exactly what you need to do to implement it correctly. So let's dive in. Let's start with what is it? It's a brand new structured data markup for your forum pages. This code acts like a label that explicitly tells Googlebot, hey, this isn't a standard blog post or a product page. This is a conversation between people. This is the exciting part. Why should you add this code? This helps it appear in the Discussions in Forums section, or we can say filter, making it easier for users to find your site when they're looking for relevant discussions. To be eligible, you need to include a few required properties in your structured data. Let me show you an example code on the screen. Key properties Googlebot looks for: main entity of page, headline, text, video, author, date published. Explaining this on video is not engaging. I have added an example code and a testing tool link in the community forum post, which you can use to test and modify the code for better understanding. There are also recommended properties that add more context, like answer count and upvote count. Adding these gives Google more info about the content. Now, it's not a free-for-all. It has some guidelines you must follow. Only use discussion forum markup to describe a user-generated post on a website. Don't use this markup for content that's primarily authored by the publishers of the website or their agents. If your site is more like a generic social media platform, you can use social media posting, which is the parent type of discussion forum posting, with the same requirements. While a valid markup of other types, article, image object, video object, that can use very similar markup with comments, author information, interaction statistics, those should not use discussion forum markup. Let's see some examples. Valid use cases. A community forum page where users can talk about a certain game. A generic forum platform hosting a wide variety of sub-forum content. A social media platform where users can post and reply to comments or media. Invalid use cases. An article or blog written directly by an agent for the website, even with comments. User reviews about a product page. Make sure each discussion forum posting includes the entire text of the post, and make sure each comment includes the entire text of the response if it's found on that page. To know more, check the official documentation. You'll find the link in the description. And that's it for this video. If you're still having trouble, the Google Search Central Forum is a great place to discuss, available in many languages. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.